This is a NEEWER neutral density filter designed specifically for taking pictures of the sun. Now, this is a 67 millimeter filter, and so you could use it on a 67 millimeter lens, but it also comes with an adapter that lets you clamp it onto cell phones. I was sent this to review for free. Its MSRP is $37. They haven't paid me for my review, so my opinions remain my own. So in the box, you get a little carrying case. And in the zippered carrying case, we have a foam insert and the filter with a filter holder. So this filter holder is designed to clamp onto cell phones. The filter here is a neutral density filter. It's 15.6 stops. It's a 67 millimeter filter. And it has on the front of it a piece of protective, I'm going to say plastic. The back of it's basically completely black here because it's an extremely dark filter. I'm going to be very careful getting this off if I can pull that off there. So the front is mirrored, essentially. So it lets, 0.003% of light through or something. It's designed for pointing directly at the sun. And then this is the guy that will attach it to your cell phone. So the back of this has kind of an L-shaped with a kind of rubber mat. And then there's this little dot here that also has a rubber mat that will screw into the back of your cell phone. And they say removal of case recommended. So I have a relatively thin case on my cell phone, and it is tight. Yes, I can get it over, but if you had any case that was at all bigger than the super thin plastic cases, you would definitely want to remove the case. And so that guy just screws into the glass of your cell phone, so you want to be careful not to tighten that down too much, but you also need to make sure it's tight enough for this thing not to accidentally fall off while you're pointing your camera at the sun. And then this 67 millimeter filter, which is detachable, comes off here. So you could conceptually, if you had a different 67 millimeter filter, you could attach any 67 millimeter filter to your cell phone using that little clip. And in the same way, if you had a 67 millimeter lens, you could put this filter on any other lens. So I'm going to take this outside and take a few pictures of the sun with it. All right, so let's talk about neutral density filter stops. So for photographing the sun, you want a neutral density filter with 15 to 20 stops. And this is 15.6, which is at the very lower end of that. So these are not quite as protective as solar eclipse glasses. I have looked through this at the sun, and so far my eyesight is still okay, but I don't recommend looking through this at the sun. It was a little brighter than with the solar eclipse glasses. To give you an idea, I took a picture using night sight, and I could image over a 3-second, long exposure night sight image, the front concrete sidewalk in front of my house with this filter in front of my phone. So it definitely makes most of the light not come through, but it is not blocking quite as much light as solar eclipse glasses. Now, I was able to take pictures of the sun, so this is a little out of focus, as is this. There are some glare spots around, so the filter's introducing some glare spots. And this is probably the best image I got. So I have been trying to change the manual exposure on my camera. You can see there's a glare spot in the actual picture of the sun. So the glass filter does introduce some glare spots. So with a cell phone camera lens, you don't have enough zoom level to really get a detailed image of the sun. You really need like a 200 or 400 millimeter lens to get good sized images of the sun. So you can take a picture of the sun. This will keep it from burning out your cell phone's camera, but it may not be a really great picture of the sun. So I manually went into my camera settings and I turned the brightness down as dim as possible. So with this filter and the brightness setting turned down dim as possible, basically making the shutter speed as fast as possible, I'm able to get a picture of the sun that looks like this. There's a little bit of a fringe there, which I believe is caused by the glass filter reflecting things. So it is a picture of the sun. If there had been an eclipse going on, you would have seen a moon start to take a bite out of the sun. So you can get pictures, but the sun fills a very small amount of the camera image, and this is with digital zoom turned on. I think it was like 8x digital zoom. So you can get a picture of the disk of the sun. I did not have any sunspots visible here. I don't know if that's because there were no sunspots or if because it simply did not focus well enough on that tiny little dot. So, you know, the filter does what it's supposed to do. You're going to have to go into your phone settings and your camera, and you want to manually adjust the brightness down some. If this was an ND 18 or 20 filter, you might not have to do that. And so you can get pictures of the sun, and if there was something in front of the sun, you get pictures of that, but realistically, a cell phone camera lens doesn't have enough zoom for really taking effective pictures of the sun. All right. I like this package. It does exactly what it says it will do. It is a neutral density 15.6 stop filter, 67 millimeters, and this holder is actually very nice if you had any other 67 millimeter filters that you wanted to put in front of a camera phone. It's a very nice little camera phone adapter to put a filter in front of the lens of a camera phone. Now, it is extremely small and easy to carry, and so if you are traveling somewhere to view an eclipse, this small package would be very easy to take with your cell phone, your camera phone. Now, you will want to keep this little protective plastic so that when you're traveling, you won't have anything touch the front of this lens. And that's where I think they could have done better by including a plastic lens cover of some sort, because right now you just have this stuff kind of up against your lens there. So I'm glad they have this cut out there for shipping, but ideally there would have been like a plastic cap that fit on top of this. Now, it comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth. And what I'm going to do is unpack this from the little bag and use it as a lens cover that they did not provide. So I'm going to be using that microfiber cloth as my lens cover when it's in this packaging. Now, another thing you can do with a heavy-duty neutral density lens is long exposure photography. So I've set my phone here for a night sight shot, and it's taking a 3-minute exposure. And you need a tripod for this to hold your phone very still, but it's going to integrate the light it gets over those 3 minutes. And because we have this big heavy-duty neutral density filter in front of it, it's able to do that in the daytime. And so what we'll get is an image with things that don't move highlighted, but things that are moving around will basically not show up as much. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot moving around out on the lake right now, but things like waves on the lake will be all blurred together. So the effect wasn't super great. I think I need a camera with much finer control over the shutter speed, aperture size, and so forth to really make use of a neutral density filter for a long duration, daytime, long exposure photo like that. At the price point, it's not unreasonable. I don't think you're going to get a lot of use out of it other than during an eclipse, just because your cell phone lens isn't going to be able to get detailed enough pictures of the sun. Now, if you have a camera with a 67 millimeter lens or a zoom lens, this lens would probably be great on that for taking pictures of the sun. You could probably also buy a dedicated solar telescope design, a cheap plastic one designed for eclipse viewing, which would be significantly larger to carry around, but would give you better views of the sun. So it kind of depends on the portability versus if you're trying to get a good zoom image magnification of the sun. I think the price is pretty fair. That's a pretty nice filter. It's a nicely machined filter holder that holds it to your cell phone. It comes with a nice little case. I'm not certain I would buy this unless I was traveling, lightweight traveling with just a cell phone to go watch an eclipse.